Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of Ikea vlog. Hope you all enjoyed part 1. If you haven't watched it till now, please do watch it and enjoy the home decor ideas from it. For now, let's start with the cutlery part and don't miss the lighting collection which I enjoyed the most. These rose color plates are truly an eye catcher, and this is a placemat or table mat collection. From the picture sign behind, we can see these are handmade glasses. These are simple shaped matte finish mini teacups for those who adore muted colors. They also have a UTZ certified organic coffee flavors, mostly coming from Uganda and White Nile. There are very good reviews over these products, and this is the coffee maker. Now moving on to their collection of lights. In Ikea, lighting is not just a practical necessity, it's a style accessory too. With their innovative designs in chandelier, you can create a warm, inviting feeling at home. These fairy lights are very trendy nowadays. They are a good way to brighten up our home decor, whether it be at the curtains of our living room or around the wall mirror in our bedrooms. This is the rug and carpet collection area. There are different kinds of designs, patterns and fabrics. Having a rug under your tea table or dining table is trendy nowadays. Ikea's wall clock collection is very simple and classy. They have a wide collection of frames ranging from classic to modern, even the collage of frames which can give a different look to the wall of your living room. Another collage of frames with different colors and the wall clock on the table over there, giving you an idea that it can be paired perfectly with these frames. Now moving on to their floral collection. These are the pebbles that can be used in the flower pots. These are scented dried petals. Just add them to a glass jar and they leave behind a pleasant fragrance at your home. I just love these cherry blossoms. They are perfect for a home decor and they gave me a feeling of witnessing spring in Japan. Good to have greens at our home, but better if they are natural. Love these vases made up of natural bamboo sticks. Amazed looking at these bonsai plants. Ikea is a very huge store. What I have covered in these two vlogs are just the important parts of it, and it has a food stall too, which I haven't been to. So next time, if possible, if I go there, I will take you too. That's it guys, hope you all enjoyed the IKEA vlogs, and if you do like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which means a lot to me. See you in another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching.